Today on Made in 74, I'm going to attempt to juggle 3 alligators while swallowing a chainsaw. If that don't take your fancy, well, you can always watch me turn one of these and a piece of this into a custom built axe. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a nasty comment, subscribe, leave me a nice comment. Hope you enjoy.
3, 2, 1.
So I'm going to start filing this down and see how hard it is to file. Wish me luck. After what seemed like an eternity of filing and sanding, I've got it down to not too bad. It's still slight pitting in it, not too bad. Right, I had to change my idea of using this piece of wood for the simple fact there's not enough width on it that way. I'm going to have an old side my axe, so I found an old piece of wood and I've just cut it out with a handsaw. Shape it. You take a long piece of sandpaper, fold it, and then you can just use the saw in action with the sandpaper. So just clean all this up first. Okay, I've used some resin now. I've only the axe head on. I've added a bit of paint, only acrylic paint into the resin. Just hold the top in. As you can see, I got a little wedge into the wood. And then where the gap is on the top, then I've just filled it in with resin. So I'll help to hold the handle on a little bit more. So I'm going to let that go off. It'll take about 5 minutes. And I'll be able to sand that back. And it will give it quite a cool effect.
Dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Whoa. When I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement, spend my time trying to erase them.